The scap push up is a very simple movement where we're basically going to try and move our shoulder blades through a full range of motion, so shoulder blade being the scap. Now what we're going to do is keep the arms very straight here. We're simply going to turn them out, and then that's going to bring your chest down a little bit, and then we're going to turn back in, thus pushing the chest back. So pushing the shoulder blades through their range. So think of this as almost like an angry cat arcing its back, but up nice and high rather than down in that lower back. So we can scale this to kneeling if you need to do some kneeling push-ups instead, and no bending of the arms. As you can see in these two, there's a little bit of a bend happening there. They need to stay straight or this exercise is not going to work effectively. Whether you're on your knees or on your feet, you do of course have the option of using a box to put it on a bit higher of an incline there and make it a little bit easier if you happen to be struggling. The scap push-up can be used almost anywhere during or after a workout. Using it beforehand as an activation drill is fantastic. It's a really useful one just for getting control of that shoulder blade and being able to move it in and out of range. So that is the scap push-up.